And news at 6, for some counties when it comes to COVID, there may be a light at the end of the tunnel.
And that's because cases are either starting to stabilize or those cases are even going down in some areas, but some continue to just go up at a troubling rate.
Yeah, Queen City News reporter Derek Dellinger has been looking at the numbers today. Derek, Rowan County is still seeing an uptick and officials are worried there.
Yes, they are, and they have a major uptick in cases over the last 2 weeks. And even today, their positivity rate shot up again. The positivity rate, they're around 31%, but they believe the real number may actually be closer to 50%. COVID is being felt in some places more than others. New numbers from the state and county agencies across the Charlotte area reflect that. And where there are cases of rates going down, there are some, like Rowan County, that are seeing a troubling uptick in cases.
It's the highest it's been since the pandemic has hit.
The county's Department of Public Health has been urging people to mask up to keep cases down. The county only has a 42% vaccination rate, and there's a legitimate fear its positivity rate could be worse.
Our data that's from the state is showing that like 1 in every 3 people in Rowan County are testing positive. But what our Board of Health co-chair shared with us yesterday is with all the home tests that are available, we're probably looking at 1 in every 2 instead of 1 in every 3.
So when could that end? It's already doing it in some counties in our area. And after hitting a peak in the last few days, several counties are starting, and we need to emphasize here, starting to see a downtick.
I would still think we've probably got about 2 to 3 weeks before we get down to the sort of lower than 10%, close to 5% test positivity rate that we would expect, which would put us towards the end of the month. But it is a little bit earlier than many epidemiologists and public health experts expected.
Chris Marsicano is with Davidson College and has been crunching the numbers since the pandemic hit. His main focus has been on COVID's impact on education, but the numbers also give insight into public policy. And while new case counts are down from their highs, there's the hospitalizations, which have hit an all-time high across the state.
I mean, I think until hospitalizations go down, it is a risk to get sick, whether it's COVID or not.
It's something Rowan County is hoping to curb before things get worse. And that's why they're urging people to get vaccinated.
We know that just because you're vaccinated and boosted doesn't mean that you won't get COVID. It just means that you won't get as sick.
Now, the CDC daily numbers show that Burke, Gaston, Iredell, and Stanley counties are also seeing their positivity rates going down. Mecklenburg County is right now at 36.8%, but that is not the highest positivity rate in the area. That station goes to Chester County, which is just over 37%. Alicia?
All right. Thanks for shining the spotlight on that, Derek.